So here we are back at the beach, and there's a drone with lollies on it. Look, lollies, real lollies. Yeah. So that drone just delivered fish. Like there's a fishing line there. Just delivered that fishing lines out there, and now there's lollies. Look, and the lollies are going to the kids. Look over here. So he's going to deliver lollies to the kids. Look at this. Look. There he goes. He's going to deliver lollies to the kids.
I hope he delivers to me.
Look. So there you go, drone delivery. And he's going to drop it. I think it's got a release. It's like a release. It's like a release. He's delivering lollies to the kids. So he's not only delivered the fish, so we've gone from here, there's the fishing line, and there's the lollies to the kids. So there you go, drone delivery. There you go, look at that, it's gone. Woo! And there it goes back again. Song, did you want a pack of the lollies?
That's a different one, eh?
No, it's the same one from next door. He just was giving the kids a lolly.
They deliver a lolly to the kids.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And now it's going to land. Look, see that little spot on the ground?
Yeah.
Look, there it goes. You watch it land on the spot.
Are you taking a video?
Yep. And look how perfect it is. Look, and it's so precise.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go for our walk.
Yeah. Okay.
And there it's landed. Well done.